Good morning, friend. Already we have completed one exercise, that is 5.1. Now new topic we have to start, that is circle graph or pie chart. Already you know this in earlier classes. Circle we know. Everyone know what is the meaning of circle, or we can say how we can do the circle. But name of the circle is, another name of a circle is called pie chart also. So, have you ever come across the data represents a circular form as shown in figure 5.4? So, it is easy to understand. That is why these type of graphs are used. ये ग्राफ समझने में बहुत easy रहता है. If you will see that how many overs total, we know that 24 overs we have in one day. We know that there are 24 overs in one day. Now we know that 8 hours we are sleeping. Someone may be possible 6 hours sleeping, someone 7 hours sleeping, someone 8 hours. But it is not necessary, it is the average they have taken. And school hours, that is 6. This is the measure. After homework you are doing, that is 4 hours. Others to see the TV activity, bathing activity and playing activity, that is 3 hours. So 2 examples are given at here. Now here question is we have to make a fraction it. Or another, the time spent by children during a day. Age group of people in a town. Now here the age group information. So 50,000 students are between 50 to 60 year. So maximum students are at here. Age people, sorry. 60 and above. So 20,000 are above and 30,000. So first of all we have to find out the total population. Total population. So that is 20 plus 30 plus 50. That is 100,000. 100,000 people are living in a one village or information base. Here students 24 over time spent. So total time is 24 over. Now someone asked to you, okay, how many overs student play? So we can 3 overs. But for fraction what we have to write? So for fraction we have to write that 3 upon 24. Or we can say play. So 3 upon 24, that is 1 upon 8. Someone say how many hours you are sleeping? Say approximately 8 hours. So for sleeping what we have to write? 8 upon 24. That is 1 upon 3. These are the graph called circle graph. A circle graph shows the relation between the whole and its part. So the whole circle is divided into sector. It is called sector. We can say it is sector. The size of each sector is proportional to the activity or information it represents. It is proportional on the activity. For example, in the above graph, proportion of sector for hours spent in sleeping. So that already I am fraction, or we can say proportion. So now if you will see from here it is given. Already we know that here it is 24 over total and here it is 100,000. That we know. 20 plus 30, that is 50 plus 50, that is 100,000. If you will total it, 24 over. Now fraction we have to find out. Sleeping fraction, that is number of sleeping hours whole day, that is 8 upon 24, 1 by 3. We can find out of each. Same thing we can find out that, so this 1/3 sector is, this sector is 1/3 part of the circle. Similarly proportion of the sectors, therefore in school. So here if you will find out each event, हम हर एक इवेंट का फाइंड आउट करेंगे तो 6 upon 24. Here we can say 3 upon 24. We have to divide by each by 24. So if I will divide by 24, we can get 1 by 3 fraction, 1 by 4 fraction, or we can say sector. Here if we divided by 24, we can say 1 by 3. Here divided by 24, that is 1 by 6. Here divided by 24, that is 1 by 8. Here divided by 24, that is 1 by 8. So these are all the fraction, that is 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8 plus 3 by 8 plus 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. So here these are all the sector. Same thing if I want to again explain this, then what I have to write? 50 and 60 years, so 50 divided by 100. So here 1 by 2. Here 30 divided by 100, we can say 1 by 3. Here 60, so 20 is there. So 20 divided by 100, we can say 1 by 5. So 60 and above here sector is 1 by 5. 0 to 14, that is 1 by 3. And 50, that is 1 by 2. These are all the sector and they are in proportional form. It is also called, circle graph is also called pie chart. Circle graph is also called pie chart. So I think this information is easy. We have understand. Now try this that we have to do. So first, information related. Each of the following pie chart gives you a different piece of information about your class. Find the fraction of circle representing in each of these information. So here 50% girls and 15% boys. So for girls, proportional I want to find out. Then 50 upon 100 I have to write, because total is 100%. Total is equal to 100%. So I have to write 1 by 2 ratio or sector. Now same thing boys. We have to write 50 divided by 100, that is why 1 by 2. Now question number example. This is walking, cycling and bus or bar. Transport to the school. Here ratio of boys and girls. Now transport to schools. जो बच्चे स्कूल में आते हैं तो कोई वॉकिंग करके आता है, नियर रहेगा वो, कोई बहुत फार रहता है वो बस से आते हैं, मीडियम में रहते हैं वो साइकिलिंग से आते हैं. तो अगेन टोटल इज 100. Always remember percentage is 100. Now for cycle purpose, so for cycle person, so for cycle here it is 20. So I have to write 20 upon 100. So that is 1 by 5. So here 1 by 5. Bus or car, that is 40 upon 100. That is 110 cut. 4 by 10, that is 2 2 2 5 that is 2 by 5. Here 40 upon again 100. Same thing, that is 2 by 5. So by cycle we have to say 1 by 5. Walking student, they are 2 by 5. And car or bus, that is 2 by 5. Now third, that is love and hate of mathematics. So 15% is hate, but total is 100%. So 100 minus 15%, that is 85%. So 85% love maths and only 15% hate maths. But for fraction, I have to write 85 upon 100. So 17 5 and 20 5. This 5 cut. So 17 upon 20% factor or sector or fraction love maths. Now 15 upon 100. Again 5 3 and 20 5. So these 5 cut. So 3 upon 20. So it is easy graph, pie chart or circle graph. It is too much easy. We can easily represent yourself. हम लोग अभी आगे और एक करते हैं. So that is graph is also given, circle is also given. Just we have to analyze it. Answer the following question based on pie chart given. Which type of program are viewed the most? So viewers watching different types of channels TV. So entertainment 50%, information only 10%, news 15% and sports 25%. Question is which type of viewed most? So 50% entertainment. But if I want to convert into a fraction, then 50 upon 100, that is 1 by 2. Which two type of program have number viewer equal to those watching the sports channel? So if you'll see sports channel is 25 is equal to news plus information. News, that is 15%, and informative, that is 10%. So 25%. So these are all the easy questions we can easily understand. Now we have to understand how we can draw the pie chart. So before we know that in circle 360 degree is there. In circle 360 degree is there. If I want to convert entertainment into degree, then what I have to do? Because here it is a 50%. So 50 upon 100, that is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 360, we can get 180 degree. So here entertainment is equal to 180 degree. Now if I want to find out sports, that is 25. So again 25 upon 100 percentage, if I want to remove, I have to write 100 into 360. So 25 fours are and 4 90s are. So we have to write 90 degree. So drawing the pie chart, the following flavor of ice cream for student is, so some another question is there. But if I want to convert this into a pie chart or degree, we have to do it like that. Now 10%, so 10 upon 100 into 360. So 1010 cut, again 10 cut. So how much is there? 36 degree. Now 15 is there, so 15 upon 100 and 360. 10 cut. 5 2s are 5 3s are 2 18s are 18 3s are 50. Oh. So I have convert everything. Percentage is given, we have to convert into a degree. That is called drawing of pie chart, because we know that in circle there are 360 degree. Now one example is there that we have to discuss. Drawing of pie chart. So if you will see that chocolate, vanilla and other flavors. Total angle at the center of circle is 360. Now center angle of the sector will be divided into. So if I will draw one circle at here, let me try that it is possible to us. Okay, here it is. So we have to draw one circle. Afterward, we have to make a center. So here we have to make a center. Afterward, 50%, 25% and so 50%, total is 100%. Total is 100%. So for chocolate, 50 upon 100 into 360. Again 1 by 2, that is 180. So what I have to do? Again make a line. We have to make a don't want to waste our time. Just we have to make a line from here. We have to make a line from the center, because here it is 52s and 2 180s. So we have to write one straight line which is pass from the center or 180 degree. Now one 25. So we have to make a line like that. Here it is 25, again 25 upon 100 into 360. 25 4s are 490s. So 90 degree. Again here 90 degree. So 180 degree, that is chocolates. Vanilla, again we have to write vanilla, and other flavors. That we have to draw a pie chart. Let me see that they are doing like that or not. So chocolate 50%, 50 upon 100, 1 by 2, 360, 180, 90 and 90. So they are doing one circle with center O, draw a radius, that is 180, and flavors value is the same thing we are doing. So it is easy, already I am explained that first of all you made how many chocolate, vanilla and other flavors. So three parts we have to make. And we know that 120 divided multiplied by 360 fraction. First of all, we have to convert into a fraction, and then multiply by 360. We have to convert into a pie chart. So I think mostly I have completed this because already we have explained. Okay, example number 1. Adding pie chart gives expenditure in percentage on various items and saving the family during the month. On which item expenditure was maximum? So if you will see, where is the expenditure maximum? So food. In food expenditure is maximum. Expenditure is maximum in food. Expenditure on which item is equal to the total saving of the family? Expenditure of which item is equal to the total saving of family? So saving of family is 15%. That we have to find out. Now transport plus house rent. We can say 15, or we can say education for children is also 15. So expenditure of education children is same, that is 50 on the saving. Question is expenditure on which item is equal to the total saving of family. So family saving is 15. So education for children is also 15, and transport plus if addition is there, then we can use these. If the monthly saving of the family is 3000, what is the monthly expenditure on the clothes? So how many things in cloth? 10% is cloth. If monthly saving of the family, આખા મંથનું સેવિંગ કેટલું હતું? 3000. That is 15 overall 100 નું કેટલું છે? So પેલા 100, if you will see 15% of 15% represent 3000. So 10% represent. So first of all પહેલા આને ક્લિયર કરીએ. 15% represent 3000. Therefore 10% represent what? So 10% નું ગોતવું હોય તો, so here 15% આમ લખ્યું છે કે 15% of x is equal to 3000. 15% of x, so 15 upon 100 multiplied by x is equal to 3000. So x is equal to 3000 multiplied by 100 divided by 15. So 200, that is 20,000. So total income is 20,000. Now 10% of it. So 10% of 20,000. So 10 upon 100 into 20,000. So 2,000 rupees we have to got. So 10% is represent as a 2,000. Now example 2. On a particular day, the sales in rupees of different item of a baker's shop are given below. So draw the pie chart of it now, that is important. 720 total is there. We have to make every first of all degree. So to make a 320 divided by 720 multiply, that is we cannot it is not necessary to make every time fraction. So 320 divided by 720 Directly you can write multiply by 360. So 360 into 2 and 2 into 160. So directly we can get 160. Now for second is biscuits, that is 120. Here biscuit is 120. You can do different way. 120 divided by, we can get 0 cut, 12 6. So 1 by 6 and multiply by 360, we can 60 degree. So most important, I think this example is the best example for to draw the pie chart. This information is given where to convert into the pie chart. So already we know how to find out this degree. Make a first fraction. To find out the fraction total, we have to write in the denominator and numerator that is given, and then we have to draw the pie chart. So this lecture is, I think, sufficient. Now try to do this at your draw the pie chart of the data that is given. You have to do again pie chart at home. So I think I am writing at here 8 degrees. So 8 upon 24 multiply by 360. So 1 by 3, 8 is a 24, 3 that is 120. So for sleeping you have to draw the 120 degree. For school, that is first. Now second, 6 upon 24 into 360. So 4s are and 4 9s are, so 90 degree. So here you have to do 90 degree. Homework, that is third. 4 upon 24 into 360. So 6 are, 6 6 are, that is 60 degree. So homework you have to do 60 degree. Play, that is 4 upon 360. Sorry, 4 upon 24 again into 360. So 6 are, again 60 we can make, and 2, that is 2 upon 24 into 360, that is 12. 12 3s are, so 30 degree. So that is in your homework. So you have to complete exercise again, a whole example, that is example 1 and 2. Now in next lecture we are discussing for the topic, that is exercise 5.2. we have to do it in next lecture.